And to rough the fellow Ghanaian up and one than one but na hot seat no so I'm a week in it. Eleven be saying for rough in week no. Now imagine one said in between but rough is I'm gonna say the better board. I'm a nipple egg come out into come on to make a how in this TikTok one na. I'm like I hold a no nonsense area. So what Jimmy and for Okohonua. Ubanya nipo my Jimmy Sinewo or make a come out in that channel. If our rough is a Koje Ridge Hospital boss or Kukutako. O man nyina ne dia no kɔ do pɛ no nyina ne sɛ je ne nsa wapira kakra bi ɔkɔɛ no na for na man attention a ohia ti rough ekoko pae hɔ no mo e wɔ kɔ yɛ nkwase ade wɔ banza TikTokers for no ɛne Trøuble colors abe clash with rough no why can be party a chair rough the fellow Ghanaian aha Penyah block media mess one say ni die mo over like video no adama over subscribe button ne so subscribe button what I say aya mo so mo subscribe to channel no what I say now we are net notification icon on for latest updates now watch the wadwen e dia mama our comment section. Etenwachi Sunday no, and I robbed the flag Ghanaian. According to him, on your motor accident. Emma just was driven a emergency case into a call Ridge Hospital. It will call Ridge Hospital or no call emergency ward. But oh rough swap, picture chaya, ninsa, and tians like a crab there between yeah, just a young bandit is a question. I am not a crania. Yaban, yes, a serious about rough to say a serious condition. I know here emergency care. Or emergency treatment, but when Yanessa, Emma Raff, Equia dede, Ewo Honomo, Koya Basabasa, Ewo Honomo, Emma even Grano, Honorable Minta Kwabna Kando, our health minister cry Echo, Egagaswadia Raphael Day, fat and Trey, whereas on Ocrano, Ebe can be clear rough. What I say, Minister of Health, Eddie President about 1 times almost a damn rough, a blast inside door end, in fact, that's what the near one house for him. As a Ghana, no, I have a Ghana say, I need the B Cocotaku B. What is a BB? I mean, Tia Chin and Chinese Jimmy B. Kukuti ni some Jimmy level B. Ewo rough mo 8 no nya nkwase ade no wonya de owoyen. O man nya ne dia. Na obakai so rough me catch us say last year August musie no me demonstration. Occupy Trøuble house. Any stop Ghanaian demonstration. And run block the road leading to 37 military hospital.
Yeah, we 37 military hospital. Highway na da ho no aha no na boys abegusu a chese omo bobo ho no ma enya agro kra. They say protesters are no more reoccupy Jubilee House no. Omo na omo aye sade we ya enya agro kra e wa ha say. They say highway no ma dia boso a adane football field aha omo ye. Chese enya agro. They say omo dane ha football field omo bobo a enya agro kra. They say highway no adane football field omo bobo enya agro kra. So what I say it omo chomu into groups a bi bobo e wa ha na ebi nso wa ha say a omo bobo ha enya agro kra. What I say enti nia esi e wa ha say 37 aha aya ayini nie so ho Kwame Nkrumah ayino enesi wo no wo ne ntoma atete. So what I say Kwame Nkrumah statue no ho pair na boys no go no ekoso a che
Obi obuza rough question say rough demonstration we are one block kwan na obi wa dey na benya asma rough can say na Ghana mo bebrebe edipo akopewu na aye dey.
What do you want? What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And I'll buy who. I said I'm making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Get traffic out. What say? What's up? What I was saying will come at the gun. Bra. Go hospital. What's all come at the gun? Now why you charge that?
But rough ehunu nyansa kan sing we abana way demonstration. But according to him, onya accident occur Ridge Hospital, nurses for attending to him ne dey. Wanze hunu say nyansa na say Ghana na mo ade dos onu nko awu a hwi si ye. Onu de oye de owu a oye dipa. Rough ebe wu de onu de oye dipa. Wo hunu nyansa say onu de oye nipa. But our position a ko block onu ne kwasea e ko blockade road leading to 37 military hospital there. O ka say Ghana mo bebrebe obi wa na ye dey. Now first I'm going to say rough edi no. And then the Trøuble colors. And then TikTok montren so. O ma be clash with rough the full Ghanaian. Egg can be part of them.
Ragati asamaba. In fact, adia rough no. Me dwene ho a na meti meya. Me hana me de dwene ma metiko meya. Se mo be kaya last year August et se ene ye. And a rough blocky kwan se oye galamsey. Ehun demonstration. Emma omode ayarefo eba wa block hospital kwan. omo kate Ralph say onyi free hona at least omo yare na yemfo omo nko hospital. Ralph ebie na no eka kire omo say na Ghana for emmoa we ebi wu ana ayedai. All because of that particular moment no. Ono ne galam said demonstration na wo ye no obi anyedai enye obi ane tubedi nachi. Which whatever that he was doing about galam say that time no me support no because omu say yensu. But enipa ewu yikwan na yankwa Ralph say Ghana for mo we ebi wu ana ayedai na Ralph Ghana for the ways yamwa no ene so no say ebi wu ana ayedai ene wo change I just wo kan sem from ane to me trim e ma meti ase say first no na mo ane dos but say nipa ba be frem ana like I don't understand da bia yeka yesi ye yikwan na say anka wo dan ya da bia beka say ekwan no etene say wo hwe video no from the beginning Ralph make statement say ono ne say twa ene wakwa kopi mu honomo okopia no cotton asawa de bekekere ne nsa so ene plaster ne ebi ni ho enti no no ankonkonko to bimra saade we enye first time amanfo aba internet so aba be complain say Ghana hospital sometime drip kwa na de sinipa so no obekọ no agesa wo yarefo no ene ma akokọ kotoba enye no it has been going on for so many years. But anam say wo nyare ye denti no. Wo no na enka wo problem ho. Anam say wo nyare ye denti de yarefo kọ no. Wo se bi mu yemmoa, ana so mu yemmoa, omuwu ana ayedai. But enena wo yare ye no so hu feeling no the way sitie. We kura won say na twa kitikiti bi. Won say u besu kura aso ho akonfo. Ena adwene say onko na nyansa ebi eda wutrimeboa. Ralph you be a debia, I don't know. Or good spirit bia, ya de yade, but de be a coin of faswa, or de a cosantocan, eh, you're so wrong. Galam sent Toka Oku say it was right. Me supporteno, obe ya roba manenko was a Ghana form way, a be one eye day. And na de wo yare kotosa our bra, de be a Ghana, ye bon de ro, a bimu hospital, be binu ho, I just a yare for na kotoba, won't can once a mother. Na no wakwa kopie mu hospital a wo yi camera e de good nurses for ne doctors for so mu nya adwuma ntu u video wo mu e wa bra hospital bia obekobia so no ye de abo say untimi enteki video anasa take pictures of patients anasa doctors anasa nurses staff members without their consent. But guess what? Ralph because no he thinks it's untouchable, he can do whatever that he want to do. As some way say nra Ewo Ridge Hospital 11 p.m. 4 days ago, me and Kasame were fast my cousin on the back of Ghana. Suhum Government Hospital. And as I say, we see. Akolana yare omuko drew honoma nurse ni jina phone so ne boy bon komo. One no ejina phone so bon komo. Ewa abra akora yare. Obi ba ko se ti baabi ewo ne phone so enipa so tete honomo. Ya di abo say emu me catch me nua ne say on take video no on send mame was chale ya di abobo ha nyina say untimi nya dey take video because ya na broach ya na take policy is very serious and I me catch and say on there on fa phone ni se ni bottom no record kakra nya dey mame and also okay obe try you understand ukọ ya na unhunu say bibi wo hono mo na enye no at least wutie de one nurse ni si kasa na wonim nipa kra wo ye. Ena me hwezo so a nurse no wono wan kasa hash said the way wo si tutu ensam no edeba no. But anam so person come out there denti no. O person man look say the nurse was so this why not Ralph, I am telling you, me and me meti hey, me ba Ghana. I just a police fo a omunim me. Eno omuhum yomo no kasa Ralph, but no konye hu was hey, sir, no wa calm down. And for them to know you, I doubt it say they will talk to you that way. Upesa wo kan ye hu say the nurse was rude. Nurses for me can be more most of them omu ye rude, but when they know who you are, they respect you. Enten Ralph, as a wo kan ama o dey too much. Because at the end of the day, ukọ ye na amanfo bu ofudi ekoso nya no. Ena nka okita wo phone kwa na wo record umfa nto obi aso ena ne namfom na voices no ekoso na bia de ato obi na ase and I will get to evidence kwa na be na nka obekasa say ni see ya eno no nke beto ase say Ghana ye kura ye serious country ade a wo ye no nko se ye chew because hospital policy eka ho untimi nko take patient pictures untimi nko take staff members pictures so eden na ko visit team last no enipa do say ne gum ebe na nurses for etimi agina ho ye adwuma muhu ni pa yare entimu nyina mabodom pema kwa kugum ewa abra visiting area ewo honomo ebe na nurses for the doctors for enwane nyamo make us say o man catch ro ma mumpie they don't want to go out but guess what they are rushing them to doctor bay and as a nurse bay and a bit me a year juma under this pressure. Charlie, sometimes we need to be honest. Nurses for the doctors for make Ghana. Omo ye guy, omo ye two no ba video na e twegu internet and so na wo hwe no. You can tell that there was a whole lot going on now. So what your doctors for the nurses for the society, they will have a very good side of the story. Ekwana rough ekono, very good. But there be American rough. He or best started and tokwani about the way of doing stuff no. There be ana amana luki se wodi nkwasiasem and 100% nkwasiasem so na wodi no. Sa woti asema papa ne kan na won wo gina wo hunu de yakoso. Was it the way mo se the phone say do much a chance so mu no. Eye me kranka I will feel say my life is in danger. I will run away. Hospital enye zoo. Baby ayarefo ogu. Mo say they are not doing their job. Momo running after them tia womo. And you expect them to be there. Who you joker cry? Who you joker 100%? Charlie, after the AC and also say Ghana Health Minister, akwa kupiemo because of the because guess what? Ghana Sanka Rafu betana honomo and unko ye what is right and obetana bekanya and komonte. But the koye de na ebetimi kura kum nipa ebetimi kura putting nurses and doctors' life in danger no and uma be pure ho say chia raf say waya ade because anko kanebo ko so anko munte
abisha me chacha mu nyina me gidi so bia ho you right say ka branty raf a branty in a block here kwan e be was wo ye demonstrations wo ye day na wo mo bi mfa ne bank military hospital na and we use statement.
What are you making? Obi one eye there.
Na Raf me bisa so nka mo na mo Ghana no no so wu ana ye dey. Wutini etwe camera.
You understand? What do you mean by higher Ghana? Says a Ghana there obi betumi awusa aboa.
I'm disappointed in you people. Mon locking mo fa no nko ba bi esa abodanfo no nko wo ne to pane. How dare you? Now what police camera so ko e no be abron ho obi kuro da ho wa ko video dey abeto social media because when your accident on say pra udu ye na say e da ade na wan ko suku an ko tentiti ya me ye doctor na nurse ni e hu said the adwuma na city you disrespect health practitioners in Ghana mo because you've not been there before you don't know how it is me blame you John Dramani Mahama ni NDC impeni for no mama wo akwanya se mu hunahuna mu intimidate Ghana for na necessary for na doctor for mo my Ghana mo it is a lesson for you people and John mama se mo e dey wan ko demonstration ni ekohia mo bo mo mutimu fie and e dey fia na to am ye ni na yesu e bia fi reset na no na ye ni na ye dey kono and yes sir ka Raf ne say ni kwan how dare Raf so obeba health obeba hospital mo so oba betete mo me who be that and then this about me enti mo may na enjoy na monka France the saddest part me say ka be so any be that one ka bo me bo Raf sada no me bo na mani wi na the tear free ni so ai
La Familia Ujimi me who rap video na okoye e hospital no like about for cancer be brief fa ho ki cancer basa but me let me tell you guys one thing Raf video no he did the right thing. And I said, he did the right thing in a wrongful way. At the end of Raf, and I said, video no because when you informing us at first, and that's what no man can read. But I said, and that's what no man you can no takes our way, and I said, bad way and channel now obeys our video in the But I didn't rough here on. Say be a two down. Cabbage rough and he said, I didn't know a dress away. Wako hospital now, if I so BPA, pan and nurses for no. Ubu crack to one me and a phone from way Ginny to say the BNC. What I say, woke up now. Ubusu any and as will be building up hospital and if you will hear care and as we will hear emergency attention. The nurses, the doctors, never your own. I don't work, not cry the book to me. In the rough there, the way and why I dear, but he did it in the wrong way. Because I'm out for do here privacy. And I will cry out hospital, a new disease I will carry out the hospital. Till mostly, yeah, I'm out for rural hospital, rough, baby, patients, Liguno. But at the end of the year, no, me make us say, why are there? All those who are needy, but any bread, so be you will feel it. We feel it. Said the rough here, and why are there? But he should be doing things in the right way. Said the bear, because at the end of the year, why are you? Why are there? Let's now.
Abranti and I, a friend of Raff. Ye can in some who would in Ghana Hanum. It is becoming unbecoming. And I say, Sanyo Matan Taina Wayan, it favors a certain political party, Yentimin Kawasamana. Yet to come on a branch of demonstration, Hunutan time, Echo Blocky Rose, Emma and Namso, Waman Fuano de, 1 Yanum, or Mama Memo, Echo Hospital, Bimunamsu Ewuye, and now Raf. At day I won't say, Wako Ridge Hospital. Now, Okodu Yano nurses never honomono, or more attendee to, into one of the Okikam. Then you know, Abacatra Ghana for say. Ghana ni pabebre bewe ya wahai membesa me yusu nsem o yusu ye ebi wu anaye de ene wo wanya ho akwa Ridge Hospital ekwa threaten nurses for emenam so ama nurse ni ba ko wo ba wapra na me I'm beginning to get disappointed in Ghana Midwives and Nurses Association because sansem hunu we ya na irafo ye no untimi nko Ghana military camp bia nko ye sansem hunu we untimi nko Bema camp nko ye sansem hunu we na obi abamadwumam abeye ensem hunu we amane nam so ama obi maame pra obi sister pra obi ire pra Ghana Midwives and Nurses muntimi nka ho hwe eye mo hwe raf adan ya kwabna minta kando no so ye health minister no abegina ho abeye tobe say ena ede na ekọ but Ghana for the to da bia yemfandi yen e kan dan dia wo se kwan ne nye anka dan dia wo se kwan ne tene abrante we starting ensem hunu e wo krom ha no ye kan because I said a favor a certain political party nti mo se de o ye ne ye abrante we timi the camera esi a whole MP so no what did dinachi or harass MP member of parliament ye kan mo se hwa ne yanka ene on baby odene nam mo baby odene nsem hunu ne nam na ya na menti ase se Ghana hanom na yete no se bi mu ya ade de a ehunu ebi mu ya ade de a ye nhunu nanka obi fufuro na kwaye sansem hunu we ye na no wakoye no hospital honom na enka samre police fo de krata abeto abonte se ya che nipa na che we die nipa de nyesem anhunu video nie mu hwensem hunu wadi to the sense say patients o mo da hospital honom no u video o mo na mrabe na ma ho kwan say obi a ono ne privacy or that hospital or the phone camera beto so mrabe na ma ho kwan okruma emrabe na ma ho kwan okruma na Ghana hanom nurses and doctors ebesi samre muntimi release krata en condemn your matantan a abrante we ye no okruma na obetima ko dis amran ensem hunu we ewo Ghana army obetima ko dis ensem hunu we ewo Ghana police enema be na koso san na abrante we ni nam kroma ye ntimi nka na asem all because of say enyoma na awoye no it favors a certain political party you see on baby ode kekako na bedroom so ebeduru musu na eduru so a ye behwe se obetima kekam okrum ha nsem hunu akwa
Raf, you see what you did at the Ridge Hospital, you goofed big time. Unless there is no any sensible person who will tell you this. You use cameras too, and you are threatening nurses that this and this. Go and watch. Sit down again and watch the video you did at the Ridge Hospital. You can even be sued for disturbing those who have been admitted. There are rules and regulations in every hospital. You have no power to disturb. And you know one thing about you? You always want public notification. You want to notify the public that, yes, Raf, Maba, me, Maba. The video you did there is against the rules. And if they want to sue you, they can sue you. You videoed to the extent that people on their sick bed, you brought them there. They were in your video. I even heard one man whose leg has been amputated or bandaged. That man was also sharing, and it is unlawful for you to do that. One we be open, tell the people who they are, but only they are any no shinimo. Open the penim and munyam, and soon yes, and be being. One say, one can know wepra, but won't tiemunu, oh, into that would moje too. Simple, okay, one to more and come address you, but open so be who say, I dear child, still, usa. Jerry na enkolade obi mo bia moja too. Once unim the more na okasa na akoma ebo no na moja no still eba. But person ye bi na onya public sympathy. Seriously? No ni me show video na real life na mo say no. Bibi nko ye o baby. Adwene wo form. They too much. We dey bebre dodo. Hey, you may have the content right, but the intro you may get it wrong. You may have everything right, but the way you talk with such kind of impunity. You think say the way you know one or God, now tell me, it is not you who determine what the nurses and the doctors should do. No, every patient is about piano. There are ways and regulations. You're quite fast to treat you, and yet they do. You are rather making the guy's situation worse. Who can know how guy no? The threat I baby I can show that. Man, I'm going to go macho. I have to was it. Open too much. Open toto. To was it. Relax, my wow. Relax it. Now the way and not the way over the bar. Over the bar. And try ye. And yes say and you now 37 will see kwanya will be back catch will say be a kwana ni mami wo catch any person ni catch any person na nipa no wu na ye den. And then they will be who here, Papa. This country is a funny country.
That's one. I deal with the Bayoniano, a call round a Bessabisuso. Last year, I'm a rough year that's or year protest about Galamsey Wakra. Or year protest to know, Yenina, we were in support of it. I was happy so because in Suone de Yenina ye Pebianum, ye Pensu Papanum, Belland, Munyadio Muhujim, because they are all good citizens. Yenina, we were in support of it to the extent of not all Bernard tie or shit tie. Our hospital were nim. Amen Kofoko, Echo catcher and say, Tay ya wish you a hospital nim so be yare, not see a dene bar insider. Yent me fanning by inside into money tiny fuel. What he said was that ye Dawson, or mine, ye Dawson to be woo, na ye ding. And ne, who when your cat, the cat on your house is not even serious, sir. When your cat way, we still bleed for 3 hours, so now count ye nim. Inti no what ba hospital ever be threatening nurses. Because nurses need midwives say what hospital no. Oh my days. Respect, monfa respecting man nurses inti everybody can do whatever they want. Inti who threaten nurses no men say me wo duty now what ba be threatening me. Do you think I can work? Say me wo duty now what ba now run a helter skelter said there now we your hospital yeah. Do you think I can work? Who threaten me life? Inti me so strobeba me I cannot work. And moreover, mama nurses respect. Nurses now muso we amudi atem no mobile hospital wa o man no mushemo. Mama nurses respect. Nurses no enyesa mobile hospital wa no maso no mababe wo pani no mo wo pani o. They take orders from doctors. They take orders from doctors. And then dia wo dia to wo nya cat wo nsa no dia to wo no. Wo dia hu hia because wa ban na wo so. Hypocrisy. Selfishness. Uhia future because we are very selfish. I was in support of the protest you did last year, but dear way ya we yensi me who say we are selfish. The nurses for no munya nipa omunya busua. Why do you people always treat nurses as if they are not human?
Ubet ma chere wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.